As an AI visualization tool made for e-commerce pros, SellerPic has upgraded with a multi-category template library, covering 7 core scenarios to solve your design struggles. Covering 7 key scenarios: advertising, branding, fashion, Instagram, photography, print on demand, and product image. Let's take the photography template to see how it works, especially great for merchants stuck on making marketing images. First, try the lifestyle scenes template. When uploading product images, pick materials matching the reference image's style, prioritize front-facing product shots without models, and avoid incomplete or model-included images. This ensures better results. There are 3 ways to upload images. In the bottom left, you can switch models, adjust image ratio, and set the number of generated images. Click Use to generate. Use the hands icon to drag and fine-tune the product's position. After generation, click to zoom in for details, then hit compare to check against the original. Details match perfectly. For issues, use the top right triangle icon to submit feedback. If satisfied, download in 3 available formats. What's even more useful, just click the image to video function in the bottom right corner of the current page to start. There are multiple generation models to choose from. Even if you can't clearly describe the video you want, click the magic wand icon in the bottom right corner, and it will auto-generate a video description. You can also choose the video style and set the duration as needed. Once the video is ready, click to download. 3 formats available. The whole process takes just a few minutes, with smooth and clear visuals. Using these videos on e-commerce detail pages or social media promotions will make your products instantly catch users' eyes and boost their appeal. Let's try other items to see the effect, like this tablet. Generated images stay consistent in style and match originals well. Choose the right template, and great marketing images are easy to make. No more design inspiration gaps or high costs. SellerPic makes e-commerce marketing images easier and faster. Create eye-catching visuals to boost your product's competitiveness. Now log in at www.sellerpic.ai for hassle-free, efficient design.